What's up everybody, it's your boy Darius and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to solve the Rubik's Cube under 2 moves only. So let's get into the video.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
So all you gotta do is go up, left, up, left. So now I'm about to speed through this video. Alright guys, you saw only 2 moves and I just solved the whole entire Rubik's Cube. If y'all like that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And tell me what did you think of the only 2 moves and solving the Rubik's Cube. And until next time, see y'all later.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam.